Hey guys, it's Ina bringing you a new sourdough video tutorial sponsored by Maytera. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I shape high hydration sourdough, and I'm going to be doing a same day bake as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to show you guys how I usually do it. So just see how I make and shape high hydration sourdough, and then we're going to break down the parts in slower paced sections after this. Okay, spread out your dough evenly on your floured surface, and then grab one side of the dough and fold it over itself. Gently pat, and then repeating it on the other side, gently overlapping in the middle. And then grab the top of the dough, pull it outwards, and then roll it inwards, gently tucking with two of your thumbs. Then grab your bench scraper and just remove some of the excess flour. And now we're just gonna pinch the sides of the dough to seal up the seams. I'm gonna grab my banneton. I'm using a 10-inch oval one, and I'm just gonna dust it with 50-50 rice and all-purpose flour. Using your bench scraper, flip the dough and then just place it inside the basket. Now this is an extra step I like to take. I mean, it's not necessary, but I like to create extra tension by sealing the seams and pinching it like this. Since this is same day bake, usually I would like to rest my dough overnight, at least 12 to 24 hours. So we're just gonna leave it to rest at room temperature for half an hour while our oven is preheating, and then another 30 minutes in the freezer to help it firm up a bit. Proofing on a banneton like this helps your dough develop that nice skin that makes it so much easier for scoring. After an hour of proofing, it's ready to be scored and baked.